Hey subnetters, today we're talking about the most common subnetting mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Assuming IPs ending in .0 or .255 are always reserved. The truth? It depends on the subnet. For example, in a /23 network, an address ending in .0 can actually be a valid host. Mistake 2. Grouping subnets incorrectly when summarizing. Example, using 10.50.10.0/22 for 10.50.10.0 to 10.50.13.0 is not valid. Mistake 3. Overlapping subnets. This causes routing headaches and IP conflicts. Mistake 4. Assigning subnets too tightly. Your network will grow and suddenly you're out of IPs. Mistake 5. Forgetting to assign or reserve a gateway IP for each subnet. Quick recap. Avoid these 5 pitfalls and your subnetting will be clean, efficient, and error-free. Next episode, we'll explore practical IP calculators and subnetting tools, see how they save time, visualize subnets, and help you verify your work. Don't miss it. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to check out the next episode. Thanks for watching.